Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll see how you can create your own Bybit account. So first of all, you need to open your Bybit website on your browser, and this is the home screen that you'll see right in front of you. You need to sign up, so you can simply click on sign up now over here. You can use Google, Apple, Telegram. You can also download the mobile app that Bybit has, and you can sign up from there as well. So basically, the steps that you need to follow for signing up will be this. First of all, you need to press on sign up now. From here, you need to add your email, your password. If you have a referral code, you can add that as well. However, it's optional. You can also sign in using your phone number. You can add your mobile number right here, and you can add your password. Now you've added your email or phone number and you've created an account based on that. It's literally just as simple as that. They've made the signing up process completely simple. And after that, you can also claim a $50 welcome reward from here, which is a huge advantage. Then you can go ahead, you can go on all its tools, what the Bybit has to offer, and you'll be able to normally use it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.